Hello students, myself Rasmi Singh here from St. Xavier's with a new chapter of computer. If you not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the further notification. And if you like this video, please share it. Student, today I will tell you about formatting in MS Word. Before telling about features of formatting, first I will tell you what is formatting. Formatting means changing the appearance of text in a document. This appearance of text we can change by applying the different features of formatting like font, font size, font color, font effect, etc. So when we will start our computer system and open the MS Word, we will see such type of window will visible over there. You already know about this window and its features from your previous classes. So especially we will give attention on the font group under the Home tab. Students, formatting is a practical based chapter, means you will learn it by doing practical. I know at home everyone is not having laptop or desktop, but don't get worried. You can easily learn on your mobile by installing MS Word. Same features you will get here also. Now you will give attention on features of formatting. If you are going to type any text or you already typed any text, so apply the features this way. First, changing font. Same as computer system, you will get font here. First, you select your text and which font you want. You choose from the font features. It will change your font of text. Second is changing font size. Same as system, here you will get font size also. You can select any font size which you want and increase or decrease your font size. Next feature is clearing the formats. This feature will remove all formatting from your text which you applied on your text and plain text is only left. For that, first you select the text and click on the clear format option. Now changing font effects. Different font effects can be applied on text. These help in recognize some text from the others. The different font effects that can be applied include bold, italic and underline. These you can apply this way. Select the text, then click on bold to make text bold. Otherwise, click on italic to make text italics or click on underline to make text underline. Now we will learn changing font color. If we want to change the color of our text, we can change this way. First we select the text, then we click on the font color button and we see lots of colors are open there. So whatever color we want to choose from there, it will apply on our text. Aligning text. Alignment is the arrangement of text within the margins. We are using 4 types of alignment in our MS Word. Left alignment, center alignment, right alignment and justified alignment. Left alignment shift our full text with the left hand side margin. And right alignment shift our full text with the right hand side margin. And in center alignment, text is lined up around the midpoint. And justified alignment is lined up along both left and right margin. Now bullets and numbering. Students, sometime you must have seen before any paragraph or item list, some special marks or symbols are indicating that list. Do you know what are these symbols? These are bullets. Bullets is a small symbols in front of a paragraph or list of items. These bulleted lists are used when the order of appearance of items in a list is not important, but numbers are used to show the order of the items. You can understood this way. If I told you create a list of any 10 outdoor games, that time which list you will create, maybe the order of the games are different in everyone's list. Means because games are not having in their own particular order. Means these games you can indicate by bullet also. But if I told write the steps of open the MS Word, that time everyone's step will be the same because open the MS Word having a proper order which you will follow the same process. Let us learn by the practical activity to applying the bullets and numbering. There is a list of some outdoor games. Now we convert it into bulleted list. For that, first we select the game, then apply the bullets which we want from bullet under the Home tab. Now next list is generations of computers. So generations of computer having a proper order. So for that we require to apply the numbering. So first we select all generations, then we go on the numbering in the Home tab. Then we apply the numbering. Numbering may be the numbers, maybe the alphabets, maybe the Roman numbers, any types numbering we can choose from the list to showing the order of the generations. Now we will learn to apply the line spacing features. Line spacing features is used to show the vertical space between lines of text in a paragraph. Let us learn by this a practical activity. How to give vertical space between lines. Select the text and click on the line spacing button in the paragraph group on the Home tab and click on the desired option of line spacing from the drop-down list. Some more features of MS Word that we will learn in our computer lab. So soon we will meet with a new video. Take care and goodbye.